Have you ever faced the frustration of corrupted HDR, RAW or log files? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Today we will be looking at the best data repair software that can help to recover, restore and repair your precious files. So if you are a photographer, videographer or content creator, stick around and watch the video full to know the complete data repair process. Hey folks, Maswakil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all the best data repair software that can help to recover corrupted HDR, RAW or log files. But before we start with data repair process, let's know why our video files get corrupted. Well, this can happen due to many reasons like sudden system crashes, incomplete file transfers, storage device issues, malware and virus attack. Being a content creator, I have faced this situation many times where my files get corrupted, but then I fix them in minutes using the best data repair tool, which is Wondershare Repairit. First, Wondershare Repairit is a great choice for photographers and videographers. It offers to repair corrupted or broken images and videos with AI-powered technology. Wondershare Repairit offers simple and intuitive UI, batch repair and works with RAW and HDR files as well. So let's get started and know how to download Wondershare Repairit, and for that simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit Wondershare Repairit official website. Now click try it free. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Repairit download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this. Now here we have Wondershare Repairit with all its features and capabilities. We can use Wondershare Repairit to repair corrupted video files. Next we get more types repair option, and here we have photo repair tool, file repair tool, audio repair tool, AI enhancer tools to enhance videos and photos. Here in history files, it will show files repaired using Wondershare Repairit. First, Wondershare Repairit is beneficial in the event of lot of different corruption issues, but especially in the event of video file being corrupted. So now let's get started and know how to repair a corrupted video file using a live example. Here I have recorded videos which got corrupted when I transferred them to my laptop, and when I try to play them, it shows error, this file is not playable. This might be because the file type is unsupported, the file extension is incorrect, or the file is corrupt. Now we will use Wondershare Repairit to repair corrupted videos, and for that let's simply import them by clicking on this. Once imported, here it shows both the files with details. Now to repair corrupted video files, click Repair. Wondershare Repairit starts to repair corrupted video files, and once done, here we have the confirmation. 2 videos repaired successfully. Preview and save the videos now. First, before saving them, let's preview if our videos are fully repaired or not, and for that click Preview. We can also preview next video. Now that our videos are repaired, let's save them, and for that click Save. This opens up a dialog box to buy a plan. Simply click buy, and this opens up browser to complete purchase. Now from here we can choose any of these plans. I will recommend you to get monthly plan if you are looking to use it once, as that's most affordable. Once purchase is complete, let's go back to Wondershare Repairit and click login. Now here login using Wondershare credentials. Once logged in, select a location where you want to save video files. Select a desktop from quick access and then click save all. It starts to save our repaired video files, and once done, here we have confirmation. 2 files saved successfully. Click save. Now our files are saved in desktop. We can open the folder from here and see here we have our videos. We can now play them. Amazing, simply insane. That's how easily we can use Wondershare Repairit to repair corrupted files. Easy to use and effective. I will highly recommend you all to try out Wondershare Repairit if you are looking to repair corrupted files. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Hill. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to record a software tutorial video in minutes and tips for creating engaging and effective tutorial video.